It is so lovely to see you again. You are here because you have either completed all 6 lessons, or you have read the textbook, and you are ready to complete your assessment. Your assessment can be found in the Assessments section of your course. Let's take a quick look inside this section. You can see here that you have 5 assessment tools to complete. These are made up of a quiz, a project, 2 practicals and a workplace observation. I am going to take a little bit of time now to give you some extra information about each type of assessment. Let's start by clicking on the Assessment Tool 1. The quiz. Once you open your quiz, you will be given all the information you need to understand what the quiz consists of. This information includes the number of questions, the total number of marks assigned, the pass mark, and even the types of questions you will be asked. Any other conditions of the quiz will also be outlined for you. Please note that you don't have to complete your quiz in one sitting. You can always log out and then log back in and resume the quiz where you left off. When you are ready to start your quiz, click on the Start Quiz button at the bottom of the page. Please make sure that once you have finished your quiz, you click on the Submit Quiz button. Once you submit your quiz, your results will appear automatically, and you will be able to see how you went. Firstly, you will be given your mark out of 100 and a converted percentage. Please note that you need 90% or greater to achieve a satisfactory result. In the right-hand block you will see a key that will tell you your result for each question. The orange tiles mean you got part marks for that question. The green tiles mean you got that question correct. The red tiles mean you got that question incorrect, or you didn't answer it at all. Then you can scroll down and look at each question to see which parts were not correct. This is very useful information, particularly if you wanted to go back and try the quiz again. The next type of assessment we are going to look at is a project. When you first open the project, it is important that you read all the information prior to starting. The first part will tell you the unit of competency that the project is related to. It will also give you an overview of the tasks. As you scroll down, you will then be presented with specific instructions that will tell you what needs to be included in your project and how you need to go about completing and submit your work once it is completed. Generally, in a project, you will be given a template to download that will guide you through each of the tasks. If you continue scrolling, in this project, you have been given some videos and extra resources that will help you to better understand the task at hand. Ensure you use these resources to guide you. When you scroll right to the bottom of your project, you will see the marking guide that you will be marked against. It is a good idea to read through each of these criteria before you submit your project to make sure that you have covered everything. The next types of assessment that you will need to complete are your practical assessment and your workplace observation. Both of these tasks are laid out similar to the project. Your practical assessment can either be completed with your trainer and assessor watching you via Zoom. Alternatively, you can use your smartphone and video record yourself completing the practical tasks. These tasks must be assessed by your trainer and assessor. The workplace observations are practical tasks that you need to practice in your workplace. Your supervisor will be able to sign you off on these activities. Now that you know how to complete your assessment and you understand some of the main features, I think it is time for you to jump into the assessment section and make a start. Please remember that you can seek the help of your trainer and assessor at any time. I will see you once you have completed your assessment so I can walk you through how to complete your course. Good luck and I will see you soon.